Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage D, Daria, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. Daria gazed up at the sky. The sky was blue and clear with only a few clouds. She began to relax and daydream. After a few moments, Daria noticed a wet, sticky feeling begin to spread down her back. She thought it was odd as the grass was dry and it had not been raining. Lifting her sunglasses and turning her head, she noticed the Coca-Cola can on its side and realized what had happened. She sighed and began to get up looking for a tissue. The peaceful moment was over. Questions. Describe the weather using words from the text. Where was Daria? What was the wet, sticky feeling? Suggest another word for over as it is used in the text. Now let's check the answers. Describe the weather using words from the text. The weather was blue, clear, with only a few clouds in the sky. We know that from sentence 2. Where was Daria? Well, we could say that Daria is outside, and we know that because Daria is gazing up at the sky. We could also say that Daria is on the grass, as she mentions the grass in the 5th sentence. What was the wet, sticky feeling? The wet, sticky feeling was Coca-Cola. A can of Coca-Cola. Suggest another word for over as it is used in the text. Over is the last word in this passage here. We could say finished, complete, or interrupted. All words of a similar meaning. Thank you for your time. How did you go?